Freedom can only truly be called freedom if it offers you opportunity, but not only opportunity, but the ability to be able to pursue such opportunities. This being said, the topic of financial freedom can only be done justice while speaking prolifically to the element of opportunity. If you want to truly achieve financial freedom, you need to be able to frame it within the context of opportunity. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to go about doing that, but more importantly, how to go about actually achieving financial freedom. So if you're tuning into my channel for the first time, you may not actually know that I've been a financial advisor for the better part of about 8 years now. This opportunity has given me the ability to be able to look into the finances of hundreds of individuals and basically see what methods work in terms of achieving financial freedom, and most importantly, what methods don't. The name of this channel is called Deploying Your Money. This is because we don't want you to simply employ your money, give it to someone who will decide on your behalf what to do with your money, how to grow it, and when you will actually achieve your financial freedom, if you achieve your financial freedom. Here we teach you to deploy your money. Give your money the mission and send it out to do your bidding so that you can achieve financial freedom. So if you want to achieve financial freedom, and if financial literacy is the type of content you like to see, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click so you can get notifications every time a new video comes out. Financial freedom and how it speaks to opportunity. Hello, and welcome to the 4th installment of my Achieve True Financial Freedom series. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, or if you're tuning into the series for the first time, please be aware that this is number 4 in a 7-part series. In the first video, we covered what financial freedom is not. Second part, we covered financial freedom and your time. In the third installment, we covered financial freedom and your money. And today we're going to be talking about financial freedom and how it speaks to opportunity. One simply cannot have a conversation with me about financial freedom and not speak, even just for a little bit, about the concept of opportunity. Opportunity is probably one of the biggest factors that sets financial freedom apart from retirement and financial independence. If opportunity is as major a currency to you as it is to me, then the pursuit of financial freedom will probably be one of the most cost-efficient endeavors of your life. If you watched my video, Financial Freedom and Your Time, then you probably remember this Ellen Goodman quote that I included in that video. She says, "Normal is getting dressed in clothes that you bought for work and driving through traffic in a car that you are still paying for. In order to get to the job that you need to pay for the clothes and the car and the house that you leave vacant all day so that you can afford to live in it." Now, let's once again revisit what this quote is trying to bring our attention to, but this time frame our analysis through the lens of opportunity. We spend a lot of time, either directly or indirectly, on our vocations, either through a job or a career. If you don't know what the differences are between a job and a career, or if you do but you want a deeper analysis of the differences, and more importantly, if you want to know the disadvantages and advantages that both pose potentially on your pursuit towards financial freedom, please check out my video, Are You in a Career or Job Right Now? I also discuss in great detail in the second installment of this series, Financial Freedom and Your Time, how much time your job or your career takes and potentially derails or enhances your journey towards achieving financial freedom. Opportunity cost, personal. Imagine all those moments that you had to give up and will have to continue to give up, spent instead at the office, or preparing to go to the office, or making your way to the office. How many moments will you miss? Your toddler's first steps? Being there for a friend or relative after they've suffered a massive loss? Being able to accompany your spouse to every single chemotherapy appointment? Watching your son develop his soccer talent? Traveling the world? Learning to speak a new language? Learning to play a new musical instrument? The list can literally go on and on and on. By not achieving financial freedom, you risk sacrificing many more such moments. Conversely, achieving financial freedom, and more importantly, doing so quickly at an early stage of your life, will afford you many, many more such moments. All of us are sacrificing such moments either in deference of a job or a career, or in pursuit of financial freedom. These two will look very similar, but there's a big difference. And please do not fool yourself into thinking you're doing the one when you're actually doing the other. Opportunity cost, business. Many of us watching this video right now have either at some point wanted to start our own business or simply turn the passion that we already have into a business. You decided not to pursue this opportunity because you felt you had either run out of time or that you simply could not take such chances, and you decided to stick with the security of a job. I want to keep this short, so I'm going to employ an analogy that was used by former Microsoft president Xi Lu. In stark contrast to what is commonplace, Lu does not view luck as good fortune so much as opportunity. He likens luck to a bus that cyclically comes around to your bus stop. Yes, you may miss the bus because you're not ready, but another bus will come around eventually. The onus lies with you to be ready and have in your possession the correct ticket so that the next time your bus of luck or opportunity comes around, you are ready to board it. In other words, we all potentially get lucky at several times in our lifetimes. It is up to us to make sure that when a lucky coincidence presents itself in our life, we are able to convert it into a golden opportunity. So, are you at your bus stop, or are you safely at your desk as the buses of opportunity keep passing you by? I am not saying quit your job. I am saying get ready to hop onto a bus as it passes your bus stop. These two concepts, your job or career and the buses of opportunity, need not be mutually exclusive topics. Your bus could actually avail itself to you in the form of a side hustle. And heavens forbid, your bus of opportunity may be passing you by again and again, not even because you're at your job or at your career, but because you're sitting on the couch playing video games. We spoke about this concept in our video, Financial Freedom and Your Time. Opportunity cost, spiritual. You may, especially in today's age, quite easily find yourself in a situation where you're struggling to balance work, life, and your spirituality. I'm not going to delve too deeply into this one because it can take several forms or even no form at all to you. But I do believe this to be a very, very important element in chasing, pursuing, actively going for achieving your financial freedom. This being said, it cannot be disputed that there is a clear link between spirituality and contentment. More than this, there is a very, very clear statistical relationship between lasting marriages and active spirituality. This being said, it would be a mighty shame if a lack of time was the biggest reason that you did not exercise or express your spirituality. Your spirituality can be a major source of peace, contentment, joy, and fulfillment while you wait on your financial freedom, and more importantly, after you've achieved your financial freedom, to help to actually be able to enjoy it and derive fulfillment and contentment from it. Spirituality can keep you warm while you're out in the cold, waiting for your bus of opportunity to come along. So what is my point? To me, moments like the ones we spoke about earlier on are really what life is about. I simply refuse to capitulate to the notion that I have to potentially give up an infinitude of moments such as these in pursuit of stability, comfort, security, and even money. This simply cannot be a path that I pursue, especially since at the end of this path, you don't even attain true financial freedom. Trading off moments like these to build somebody else's empire simply makes no sense to me. I simply refuse to believe that perpetual employment is the only way by which you can chase or even attain stability, security, and even money. If this did not become abundantly clear to you most recently, during the time of the global sickness? It probably never will. Attaining financial freedom, true financial freedom, is the only way to attain stability, security, and money. Financial freedom, by my definition, gives you access to opportunity while you can actually make the most use of it. For instance, learning to play the piano is much more useful at age 35 than it would be at age 65. Being able to learn how to ski is much more useful at age 25 than it would be at age 60. These examples are not evidence of my latest ageism so much as my protestation to the status quo. Don't get me wrong, you can do anything you purpose to at any age you want to. All I'm saying is that you can do this, achieve this goal, do this thing that you want to do before you reach the milestone age that society has set out for you. Retirement is retirement, not financial freedom. Retirement is something you do when you're tired, not free. Don't allow yourself to spend your entire life giving up such opportunities. At least try to achieve financial freedom. If you want more tips on how to do this, this channel is all about that very topic. So just subscribe and keep getting more ideas of how you can go about actually doing this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please let me know in the comments. If you didn't, please let me know in the comments as well. If you like this type of content, please be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can be the first to know every time a new video comes out. If you would like to achieve financial freedom, please keep watching this series. If you didn't watch the previous episodes in this series, please go back and watch them. Our first episode was what financial freedom is not. Our second episode was financial freedom and your time. Our third episode was financial freedom and your money. And this episode, our fourth installment, was financial freedom and opportunity. The next video in the series is why your financial advisor cannot help you achieve financial freedom. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. So I've been running my financial planning practice for about 8 years now. So I've been thoroughly exposed to all the methods that work and all the methods that don't work. And as an extension of this YouTube channel, I've also now started to consult one-on-one, helping you with wealth coaching. We talk everything from credit, how to speak to your banks, buying cars, property investment, everything you need to know so that you can achieve financial freedom successfully. If you want to get in touch and schedule a consultation, contact me via the email provided in the description.